This is one of those pages that has a lot of content on it for what I am attempting to accomplish, so bear with me, please. In a pedigree, if a male and a female have a line between them, what does that indicate? If the circle or the square is shaded, what does that mean? If it is a shaded square, what does that mean? If it's a shaded circle, what does that mean? The parental generation is called this. The first offspring are called this, which means filial, first filial. Let's look at a Punnett square for just a minute. It's possible that a dominant allele does not always result in a majestic trait, red, and in this case the homozygous recessive combo results in this color. So what do you call it when you can kind of have a blend between the homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive outcome? What is this called? Often noted in flowers.